Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the advanced icon box block to create interactive content in Gutenberg. Let's start. Let's start with dropping a container block inside the editor. With a single column layout, customized flex property for row direction, and customized padding for evenly spaced content area. You can do this every time before diving into the content. Then click inside the blank container, type in the advanced icon box, and then select the block to insert it. What you see is the default appearance of the block, with an icon on top, followed by a title, description, and a Read More button. The options on your right give you 3 style presets, and a bunch of buttons right below to show or hide the ribbon, icon, heading, description, etc. With these options, you can freely choose your content to display. There's also an alignment option below. This one works over the whole content of the icon box. Then, inside the content section below, you will find options to customize the icon, title, and description text. The icons can be actual icons or images. The options give you the freedom to choose any. Now the basics are covered. To customize the appearance of the content, we need to head to the Style tab. Here, the first section named Item lets you add a border around the whole icon box. You can select a border color and a suitable border width, and then select a solid to apply the border. You can always change these settings afterward for fine-tuning. Not to forget, you can specify a hover color for the border as well. After that, you can adjust the border radius, margin, and padding values for the icon box. At the bottom, let's change the background color with the option here. This part also has options for hover settings. Skipping the box shadow option under it, inside the icon section, you can customize a couple of aspects, including the color of the icon. The options let you change the size of the icon and then add and adjust the border radius, padding, and margin. Then the icon and icon background color for both normal and the hover mode settings. Check how the icon background appears to be a circle. That's because of the border radius. Next, inside the title section, you can customize the font style through the typography option at the top. The option gives you font family, size, weight, style, transform, spacing, and a bunch of controls. At the bottom of this section, you will find the title color option for both normal and hover. After this one comes the description section. Similarly, this part houses a typography, margin, and normal hover color options. Feel free to bring similar changes to it, the same as the title. Customize and check how the icon box behaves on hover. Satisfied? Let's open the list view and create duplicates of the advanced icon box block. For the duplicate, let's change the content. Hit save. You can already see that your final design is ready to go. This is how you can turn simple options into interactive icon box content very easily. Check out these couple of examples. These are ready patterns created with the advanced icon box block module. Take these designs as references to fuel your creativity to design unique and vastly engaging content for your audience. That's all for this video. Thanks for choosing Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to get more blocks tutorial as soon as they are available. Stay connected with BdThemes.